Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 different looks using the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. So first we're going for this pink toned smoky eye. I'm placing Hot Mess on my outer V using a bullet brush and I'm winging it out and blending it. And then I'm placing Off Balance on the centre of my lid. For the shimmer, I'm using Galaxy and I'm placing that on the inner portion of my lid. And I'm just blending everything together. Then I'm buffing Hot Mess and Off Balance under my eye and using Supermoon on my inner corner and on the inner portion of my lower lash line. Some rhinestones and Huda's Hootie lashes. Next up is a wintry purple smoky eye. I'm popping Vortex on my outer V and I'm winging it out. Smoking it out with Off Balance and bringing that towards my inner corner. For the inner portion of my lid, I'm using Ultraviolet. And then popping Supernova on the centre of my lid using my finger. Then I'm smoking Haze, Libra and Vortex on my lower lash line. And the Andy Lashes from Slash Lashes. Finally, a more neutral everyday look. I'm buffing Karma all the way in my crease and I'm again winging it out. And I'm softening it with Momentum. I'm using a mixture of Gold Glitch and Supernova for my lid. Buffing Karma on my lower lash line. And using Galaxy on the inner portion of my lower lash line. And finally, Jade Lashes from Huda Beauty.